Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your good Angelica Bud back again with a brand new video. And today I am unboxing the new iPhone 16 Plus and Ultramarine. Okay, and we're gonna be unboxing 3 new phone cases that don't go with the new iPhone 16 Plus. I'm so excited for this phone. Like, I'm in love. Like, since I've been having it, I'm just in love with the phone, the color. Like, I've been waiting for Apple to drop a blue iPhone for I to buy it. So I'm so excited for this phone. Be able to upgrade to this phone. One thing I love about it is just the size. I just had to go up a little bit. I would don't get the regular 16 plus, but I like, nah, let me go with the plus and just look at it. The color, it just and not like the iPhone 11, because I used to have an iPhone 11 before this. And when I tell you, like, the back don't feel glass at all. It feels so smooth, like the phone and everything that feels so smooth, like it's not slippery or nothing. It come with the C cord and no sickles, no sickle, but it come with the C cord. So you do need to buy a plug, and you do get the phone. You do need to buy the wall plug for it, but it do come with the C cord and everything. But this phone got the new camera button and the new action button on it. So USB-C is the charging port for it. It's honestly, I just love this. I like it fit in my hand perfectly. It honestly my favorite phone right now from Apple. Honestly, from what I have been using it, I love the new iOS 18 update on it. It got like some really new features and stuff on it, and it got that little I forgot, dramatic island. So I'm so excited to try to use the dramatic island, because I never got a chance to use this with the iPhone 11. It didn't have that. So honestly, it's little weird using the dramatic island since I've been using it for a while, but I'm getting used to it, so, and I know I like um different tricks and stuff while using, the the dramatic island on the phone. But overall, it's just such amazing phone. Like, here afterward, I had a little fight with it. I'm trying to get the phone updated, but the phone updated and everything. Everything got transferred. I couldn't get my phone call. But now I'm gonna open the cases, and when I tell you, don't worry, I'm gonna do a full what's on my iPhone video coming soon. So make sure you check that video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and have your post notification on, so when that video drop, you know it dropped. But this is the first case. It is temper glass case. It's blue and pink butterfly. It's like really simple, small fit to the phone and everything. I like it. So the slim and everything. So they're like the phone case. I mean, like the base phone case. The next one I'm gonna be using is actually the purple one. It's actually a mirror phone case. Even though personally do not like the color purple, but it is a mirror phone case, and it speaks to me. I'm not using it right now with my iPhone. I'm using the other one, the last one, which you don't see very soon. But this is the mirror phone. When I tell you, it looked like an actual cell phone from like back in the day. Like, what type of phone was it? Like the Motorola or something? You were born in the early 2000s. You know what I'm talking about. Those phones and stuff. But yeah, but with the camera, the camera trick, it kind of hard to use. But I'm still learning how to use the camera button on the side. But this one I'm talking about, like the old sign, and then got like the mirror to it, which I just love it. And this one I like personally because the extra protection on the camera. So I do got that added protection on the camera, and I just love it. But that camera feature, let's talk about the camera button on the iPhone 16 Plus really quickly. It's a good feature, but you have to be able to use it. Like, I'm still learning how to use it. I can use it, like, I know how to get it to cut the camera on fast and take pictures, but the pictures do not be clear when you take pictures. This little water warning, it don't be clear. I've been taking pictures with using that button, and it don't be clear. But this is the last case. This is the case that I got on my phone currently, and let me tell you, I love it because of the kissing. And plus, my favorite color is blue. and you don't already know. But yeah, this is the unboxing of my new iPhone 16 Plus and Ultramarine. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.